Welcome to Lesson 14. Learn to read, write, and navigate files. Let us get started. Reading files is one of the most common shell tasks. $_ reads a file without cat. While read loops process files line by line. Grep searches for patterns inside files. Let us create a script to explore reading files. First, we create a sample fruits file with 5 entries. $_ reads the entire file into a variable. A while read loop processes each line with a counter. Word count with WC gives us line and word totals. Grep searches for lines containing the letter E. Let us review the complete script. Now, let us run and see the output. Each technique serves a different purpose for file processing. ZSH offers several ways to write data to files. $_ overwrites, double appends. Here, documents write multiple lines at once. T writes to a file and displays output simultaneously. Let us create a script for writing files. $_ creates a file but overwrites on each use. $_ appends without erasing existing content. A heredoc writes multiple lines between the EOF markers. T sends output to both the screen and a file at once. Let us review the script with BAT. Now let us run and see each write method in action. Overwrite destroys old content, so append is safer for logs. File tests check properties before acting on files. -E checks existence. -F checks for regular files. -R, W, and X test, read, write, and execute permissions. -S checks if a file has content. Let us create a script to demonstrate file tests. We create a test file and directory for our experiments. -E returns true when the file exists. -F checks for a regular file. -D for a directory. -R, W, and X test the three permission types. -S distinguishes between empty and non-empty files. We clean up all test files at the end of the script. Let us review the complete script. Now let us run and see every test result. Always test before reading or writing to avoid errors. Directory operations organize files into a structure. mkdir -P creates nested directories in one command. Copy -R duplicates entire directory trees. Glob patterns like double-star match files recursively. Let us create a script for directory operations. mkdir -P builds nested folders in a single command. We populate the project with source, docs, and test files. Find lists all files in a directory tree recursively. Copy -R duplicates an entire directory and its contents. Double-star glob matches shell files across all subdirectories. Let us review the complete script. Now let us run and see the directory operations. Combining mkdir find, and globs makes project setup easy. Let us recap Lesson 14. Read files fully or line by line. Write, append, and use heredocs. Test files before operating on them. Next, process management. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for new lesson alerts. See you in the next one.